Hey, I'm with my 8 and 5-year-old today, so let's make some fun and spooky bookmarks. Step 1, let's get some cardstock or any kind of paper that's a little thick and cut them in strips. Mine are 2.5 by 12 inches. Then step 2, let's fold in half and half again on one side. Step 3, with a pencil, trace the face. The fold line is where the mouth will open, so make sure you're really paying attention on it and making sure the design matches. So I'm gonna do the mouth and then the eyes. I'm adding some horns and I'm gonna add some fur to it. Googly eyes, a little nose. I'm adding little feet and a belly with a belly button and some arms. I decided my monster will be smiling with big teeth and adding the lips on top. So now step 4, unfold and link the line of the face and the mouth from the top to the bottom. Add the fur in the middle. I'm adding the lip lines and then I'm working to add the details inside the mouth. I got the tongue. It's just to have fun. And now for the last part, let's color and add any details with the black marker. And voila! I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and had fun making it along us. Let me see your own bookmark, and if you decide to share it on social media, don't forget to tag me or mention me at @Seagal so I can personally thank you for your support. Finally, if you want to stay updated with more helpful tutorial tips or tricks, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for joining me today. Your support means the world to me and I can't wait to see you on the next video. À bientôt!